Hello, my name is Richard and I am very happy to welcome you here. I am an English tutor who enjoys helping students improve their speaking, pronunciation, grammar, and confidence in English. My lessons are friendly, supportive, and focused on your goals, whether you want it to improve for schools, work, travel, or daily conversation. I believe learning English should be comfortable and enjoyable. So in my classes, you can expect clear explanation, lots of practice, and helpful feedback. Don't worry about making mistakes. That's part of learning, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. I enjoyed working with students of different levels, from beginners to more advanced learners, and I always adapt my lesson to suit your needs and learning styles. Thank you for watching my introduction. I look forward to meeting you and helping you reach your English goals. Please feel free to book a lesson. I'd love to learn with you soon. Thank you.